Welcome back, my amazing learners. Today, I'm going to introduce you to a wonderful app and website called Wonderopolis. Now, if you decide to use the app, just go to the Google Play Store on your phone or your tablet, or you can use the browser like what I'm doing here on your laptop and just type in Wonderopolis, 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 and the app will look like this, a pretty W on a blue background. All right, so all you have to do is just install it. Now, what I prefer to use is the website, and the website is wonderopolis.org, and it's created by the National Educational Solution for Families and Learning. So it is available internationally, not just for US citizens. So when you go on this website, you will see this or something like this, and you will realize that people all across the United States and also the world use this website. Now you can add a question. For example, why do birds sing in the morning, or something like that? All right, you can add a question there, and you would have to fill out certain information, prove that you're not a robot by checking this little box, and send us your wonder. Okay, now the beauty of this website is that it's quite integrated. It covers different subject areas, and it is wonderful to explore. All right, so for example, wonder of the day 588. How many ways can you say mom? And you can click on it. It's related to the subject of language arts, and you can learn so much about the different ways to say mom. Okay, now the other thing is that you have Camp Wonderopolis. Now, I'm not sure if they're going to have one for 2021, but if you scroll down here, you will see that it is free. You can register as a camper or a counselor, and every year they have a different theme. All right, so you can click to learn more. I'm not sure if signing up is still applicable because all of these are past Camp Wonderopolis from 2018, 2019, 2015, and so on. But you can go ahead and explore them because there is so much to learn. Okay, now I hope that you will enjoy using this website or app, and you will learn something from it. If you gain something from this, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in another video. Bye-bye.